Folks, welcome back. So today we have a little quick DIY project. Hopefully that will save you a few bucks. Over time, my hose bib vacuum breaker seized onto my garden hose, so I can no longer remove it from the spigot. So instead of having to buy new hose, what I went to my local hardware store is I bought this little repair kit. So what that does is basically replaces this portion of the hose. All I have to do is just snip it off, attach this onto it, clamp it down, and I'm back in business. So let's get started. So there you have it, folks. All done. About 5-10 minutes. Saves you from buying a new hose. Hope this helps. Thanks again for watching.